So there we have it. That is enough for one night anyway. Got a nice bit done, got more done than I thought I was going to get. I'm going to leave it like this. It's kind of late. Still have a few bits I do want to take off. I need to take out the back axle and the fuel tank, which we only just put in, but I'm going to do that another day. I am going to take out the interior as well. Like, I'm going to take everything out. All of this is going to go out. But I think for what we wanted, or what I wanted to try and do today, was just see how bad all the rust was. And it's pretty bad. Look, I knew it was going to be bad. So just to recap, this is everything that came off the car. So pretty much all the kit, all the running gear off the front, everything, engine, all of that, that's all out. The wings and everything is off. So we'll start at the front. It looks not great, but it's fine. I can't see anything overly bad. A lot of surface rust. There's like a small bit there, like it's nothing crazy. I would like to get all of this sandblasted. So obviously everything, like I said, has to come out. But I want to get the whole thing sandblasted if possible, just to get it back to bare metal. But all that is fine. All in here is fine. I'm thinking of making up some kind of a dolly to put underneath this so that I can bring it out and power wash it. I do have a spit, but it wouldn't roll. But maybe I could put casters on it. So fine. Needs work, but fine, right? And then we get to the problem areas. So down here. So that's not great. Now, to be fair, that is okay. But to be fair, I'm talking to you from the ground, right? When I bought the car, I knew it was rusty. So it's not as if I spent a huge amount of money and then discovered this. So for what I paid for it, that's expected. And it was told, I knew that this was here. So that's fine, okay? So we knew that was there. That's not a big surprise. And then if we go to the other side, it's way worse. It's even worse than that. But right, so yeah, it's totally gone. This is just space. But on the positive, the inside, okay, I've just seen that. That's awesome. It could just be surface rust. Let's just pray. That's bad there. Okay, not great, right? Actually, that's a handy thing, yeah. So overall, apart from that massive bit there, it probably doesn't look awful. And it's gone back here as well. So again, we knew that was going to happen, and I've literally just taken off the back bumper as well, and that's fine. So that's all really good. Don't know, I think there's a bit of surface rust in there, but once we've all this taken out, there isn't super, which I kind of had seen in the past anyway. And then if we come around to this side, it's pretty good. So there's no real, that's all fine. Do you know? Nothing too crazy there. Small bit there again, but nothing compared to the other side. Oh yeah, this isn't super. And I'm just showing you all this stuff that isn't super, because what's the point in hiding it? That there isn't great. Crust. Yeah, that's not great. But I think we can fix all of this. So, the first thing I'll say is the previous video where I kind of explained what I was going to do to this got a huge response. Load of people messaging me and stuff. So if you are one of those people, thank you very much. I've learned an awful lot in the last week or so. And to lads on Instagram and stuff, I was putting up the few pictures of this all happening, and I got a load of messages again. But I don't think it's too bad. It's bad, but I don't think it's like we need to scrap the car or anything like that. I think it can be fixed. Need to kind of weigh up my options and see what I want to do in terms of, do I buy replacement sills or do we sacrifice this car here? And I think I want to sacrifice that car. I think it'd be easier for like my first time doing this to have an actual sill that will just fit straight on. And also what I was thinking of doing, if I can open the door, which I can't, if I show you here. I was thinking of cutting all of this out. Let's see. So bear with me.
So you can see how good all this one is. But you see that there, spot weld. So what I'm thinking of doing is maybe drilling out all the spot welds along here and maybe cutting somewhere like below this line and take this whole unit out. So cut it the whole way along here and take all of this in one piece and transfer it to that car. Maybe. But yeah, we got some work to do. But again, it's not a surprise and I'm okay with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try and piece it together to have a fairly quick teardown for you. I'm hoping for maybe 10-15 minutes of a video, just to get it to this stage. So next step, drop the axle, drop the tank, give it a good wash, and then realistically it's probably going to be the new year before we really start cutting into it. But by the time you see it again, I'll have everything taken out and we'll have it completely stripped. Just wanted to get a video up just around Christmas time. I am actually also planning on a bonus video, so I'll give you a little sneak peek. So I have a little care package for the Kreeate. All of this box of things are going into the Kreeate, so that's going to be up hopefully in the next day or two as well. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Welcome to all the new subscribers. So weird to say, but yeah, anyway, cool. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.